Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. So this week I'm going to show you how to add a new page to your website with WordPress. Now there's a few different ways to do this, so I'm going to go step by step in each different way and show you how to create new pages and make them gorgeous. So the first thing you can do, you should know there's two different ways to add a page. So the first way, which I find to be the easiest, honestly, is if I'm logged into my website and I know I'm logged in because there's this black bar up here, and I go to the home page, all I have to do is hover over New, Page, and we're good to go. So this right here that's showing up is the Classic Editor. Now, I have the Classic Editor in this website because the Gutenberg Editor was giving me some problems when they made the switch over. At some point, I can test to see if I can move to the Gutenberg, but for right now, I've added a plugin to help me stay with the Classic Editor. Now, with the Classic Editor, it's very, very simple. Type the title of the page right up top. Down here, you can add your content. If you're really feeling fancy and you want to edit in HTML, you can edit in HTML very, very easily. And then there's different options based on your theme and your website. So you can create, if you have different page templates, you can use them here. You can add featured images. You can add your SEO information if you have the Yoast plugin here. Again, this is all depending on your website and how it works. And then all you need to do is hit publish and you're good to go. So let's say that I want to do this with the Gutenberg Editor. Very, very simple. This is the Gutenberg Editor. And you'll notice it's got the same information, but it's just placed a little bit differently. So again, add title. Very, very easy. I have another video that I can link here in YouTube to show you how to use the Gutenberg Editor a little bit more, but basically with this one you have blocks. So when you start typing, you have different options. So I can turn this into a heading. I can turn this into a list. It's a little bit easier to use than the Classic Editor here. You can see you have all these same options right up top. With the Gutenberg Editor, you just have a few extra options and it's a little bit more user-friendly. Same situation here. You have information about the document. You can set your feature image. You can change your template. This is on my membership site, so it requires a membership. I can hide and show that here. And then all I have to do is hit publish and I'm ready to go. So the last one I want to show you is the Elementor, which is my favorite. And a lot of you who are sitting here looking at me like, I can't use either one of those. That looks way too complicated for me. I have very good news for you. It's the Elementor plugin that will help you create a visual builder, very, very similar to Squarespace, lead pages, and other kind of visual builders that you've used before. So if I hit add title, and then all I need to do, I'm on my new page, just as I did it before, is click edit with Elementor. Really quickly while we're in here, the other way you can add a page if you're in the dashboard is under pages. There's an add new button right here. Okay, so back to Elementor. I'm just going to click edit with Elementor and presto magic. Voila, the Elementor builder is loading for me. And now you can see I can add templates. I do have another video on how to use this. This will show you about how to use blocks, how to use pages. So let's say I want to insert this one. I can just insert the template and I'm good to go. If I want to build my own template, I have that option too. I can add different blocks from here and just drag them over anywhere I like. There's also an additional plugin, I think it's called Essential Add-ons, that gives me all kinds of crazy stuff like tabs, calls to action, pricing boxes, lots of fun stuff. Again, I have a video that shows you all about how to use this, but I would say for pages, definitely this is what our members find is the easiest thing for them to use. And they've created some gorgeous pages using Elementor. So if you're wanting something a little bit easier, definitely check out the Elementor plugin. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. See you soon. Bye.